Alright, so this is what's going on here. So I didn't notice that there's this plate, the swing arm plate. There's a swing arm plate right here with a bunch of holes in it. I wonder what that's for. There's nothing connected to it. There's a bunch of holes in it though. See that? So you gotta make sure the chain is actually on top of that. So I kind of goofed up a little, but what we can do is just take it off of this part here and then just feed it on top of that part right there. So it's got to kind of go, it's got to go under, around, and back. So that's what I'm going to go do right now. And then if you're wondering what pulley I'm pulling on right there, is this right here. This is the pulley. This is the pulley that goes to the motor for the motor. It's the primary drive pulley. All right. Okay, messy stuff, dude. Messy stuff. All right, so what we're gonna do. So just be careful. If I did it right the first time, I wouldn't have to do this. So now it's kind of just hanging off the whatchamacallit, the sprocket, and then just loop it on top of the swing arm. Okay. Try not to get it too dirty. Okay. And just bring it back down to the chain. I bring it back down to the sprocket. It's kind of tight where it's at right now, actually. Okay. And then just try to pull it straight again. Okay. Loop it around. Oh, wow. Okay. This is not, there's not enough. It's kind of weird. There's not enough. How is this the right chain? Maybe we need to move the adjusters all the way in. Okay, I'm going to keep on pulling this and then wrap it up around here so it don't fall off. Okay. Okay, so yeah, obviously we're off by a lot. So what we need to do now is we need to move all this in here. Chain is like too small compared to the old chain. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the axle and then move all the adjusters like inwards so we can get the chain on there. It's much tighter than the last chain I had on there, so it kind of sucks. More work for Merlin to do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I went ahead and loosened the axle, and then now what we're going to do is we're just going to move all of these adjusters in. Give it the program. All right, so here we go. We're going to loosen this. We're tightening it right now. This is kind of annoying. Okay, so I've gone ahead, I moved the adjuster in as far, almost all the way in. And then I'm just going to push the wheel forward. Should move in, okay. Now we got a much shorter wheelbase now. Okay, so hopefully the chain fits now. Because hopefully the chain fits now or else it's too short. Give me one that's too short. Okay, I could probably pull that a little bit. There we go. Okay, look at that. It almost fits. almost fits. It's always like one link away. Okay, well, I need to loosen it a little more. And there's not much left to grab on it, man. So maybe that other chain was worn out. I don't know, man. I think the other chain was like way out there. So if you're going to be switching chains, it's probably a good idea to mark where the chain was before. I mean, what the adjustment setting was. Okay, there we go. Now it fits. So literally you have to move the chain slack adjusters all the way in for the Supermoto chain to work. Literally almost all the way. Yeah, pretty much that's it. It won't go any more than that. It's bottomed out already, so if you do. So okay. That should be good, yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do next is take that master link, put it behind one of them here, and try to get it to fit with the other one. I'm not having much luck with this. It's super tight, dude. Oh, there we go. If I move the wheel forward a little bit, it stretches the chain a little. There we go. This is really... There's no slack on it at all. Oh, maybe there is. Oh my god. This is horrible. There is no play on it at all. It is so tight. So what I'm trying to do is trying to get them to join to each other. I guess what you can do is keep on. If you pull the bike forward, it tightens the chain. So what you want to do is rock the bike forward a little bit, enough so you can get the chain, the master link in there. Oh! No likey, dude. Okay, this is not gonna work. So what we're gonna have to do is we gotta move the chain. We gotta move the chain away from the sprocket. I'm gonna pull the bottom like this, okay, and then I'm gonna feed it through here. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, you could do that. I'm thinking about this the wrong way. Okay, so you can put it together like this, okay, and then now you can drop it on the chain. Yeah, how the hell are you supposed to put it on here now? That's a good question. You can see Haze Omega is having a hard time. This chain is like really long, really tight. And then what you can do now is try to spin the wheel. No, I don't know how this is gonna work. Good question. All right, so I think what you can do is try to spin the wheel, and hopefully it'll all come together somehow. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pick it up. Oh, it's so tight, dude. Yeah, dude. This chain is way too tight. We need like an extra link. I'm not lying, dude. It is no bueno. It is super tight. Maybe we can move the other side adjuster in all the way. That might help. But really, the other side is what affects the tension the most. Okay, so I've moved the other adjuster all the way in, so we're going to try to push the wheel all the way in. Okay. Yeah, man. It's not very happy. Okay, so let's try this. So this was the original plan. This was the plan before, was to instead of trying to leave it like that, and trying to figure out how to do this. This would be easier if we had like one extra link, you know. So I would say get a 107 chain if you could get one. This is like perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take the master link out again. Okay, master link's out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the chain. We're gonna move the chain over here, all the way here, and then we're gonna feed it through the sprocket. What a freaking pain in the ass this is, man. Okay, and hopefully that's enough for us to get the master link in. Okay, so we're gonna put the master link on one of these guys first. I think we got to do it on both at the same time. I'm not sure. That's a good question. Believe it or not, I think this is the first time Marilyn has used a clip type master link. I've never had to really fiddle with them. Come on. There we go. I got it. Whew. All right. Hallelujah. I got it in there. All right. So that was the trick. It's a really tight chain. So you got to move the adjusters all the way in, and then you got to feed the chain so it's on top of the swing arm through that little passageway there, and then onto the counter sprocket in the front, and then pull it this way, and then I guess you could do it on the bottom also, but pull it so they meet right here. Okay, and then you get your master link and put it on one of them, and then push the bike forward a little bit. When you push the bike forward, it tightens the chain a little bit, and then it allows you to put the master link in. So it looks like it's really loose right now. So it's actually, I don't know, man. We're just gonna have to adjust the chain tension, and then that should be it. So okay, so the last part of installing the chain is to put the clip in. So what you're gonna want to do next is put a little plate in. I don't think it matters which way it goes. I don't remember which way it went, so yeah, so it's right here. Okay, little plates in there. Okay, so the way you install this guy is you put the head of the clip. See the clip here? The closed part, the head, is supposed to go in the direction that the chain goes. So the chain goes this way. So we're going to install it like that. So basically you're going to put it in like that. Got it? And then you're going to go get your pliers, a needle nose pliers, like this here. And then just squeeze it in. Actually, let me get the camera out so you can see what's going on. Okay. So there it is, and we're just gonna get our pliers, put it through the little opening in the middle, and then put it at the end. Just squeeze it. Boom! There it is, installed. And so, like I said, remember the direction that it normally goes in, you're going to want to put the closed end facing that way. So in this case, it goes that way. On the other bike, it would probably, be on the other side. So. All right, so that's it. And then the next part I'm going to show, and then you're going to have to adjust your chain slack. Okay, so Hades Mega here. I recently had a master link come off on me, and I'll make sure that does not happen again. So there you see the master link right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna safety wire it on. So I'm gonna take my safety wire here, snip a piece off, snip a piece off. Okay, these cutters are not very good apparently. There you go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go feed the wire in between the master link. You don't want it between the plates. So you're gonna probably want to use the smallest safety wire you can get. Okay, I don't want this lock. Okay, and then we're just gonna twist it. It's been a while since Hades Omega has used one of these. I'm not twisting it too much. Man, that's a lot looser than I thought it would be. Yeah, this is pretty loose. What's up with that? Hopefully that'll work. We'll see. I'm gonna go get some cutters. Okay. Just make sure it doesn't interfere with anything. So there's Hades Omega's handiwork. I could probably hit that with a hammer or something so it doesn't, it's not so pointy. You know what? It probably would have been better to do it the other direction. So the sharp part is, the tail is pointing down. So that you know, it would be better if I did it pointing downward. But you know, I could just make it so it goes back. You know, only thing it's sharp and it might, you know, stuff. So there you go. So as you can see, there's still plenty of room for the safety wire to move around. That should help keep the clip from coming out. I probably want to do that again and make it tighter. That's pretty loose, so I'm gonna try again. So, but that's not too bad. It's something, you know. It's to keep the clip from coming out. So you definitely want there to be some kind of tension on it, and there's not a lot of tension. See how loose it is? But that's what I'm gonna do to keep the clip from coming out again. All right, so that's what Hades Omega is gonna do. All right, Hades Omega out.